on the window.
Yeah, really.
And then this is done with a
Right side window. That looks awesome.
You put like a finishing coat on it? It's got a bit of a clear coat to keep these stickers on. Alright. Not much though. It's only
that falls apart, man.
Yeah.
You're like the backup. You're the backup.
There's someone there.
Yeah, you're not here to fucking.
I don't try to myself.
Is it good? Under air pack.
Trying to next game I'm going to be proud of you.
That looks manufactured like that. We got a fucking vinyl sticker printer. We can just fucking make stickers.
don't want to use that.
I got them all over my kit now.
Use the pistol and grab it.
Oh. There's a shitload of people.
Even got my fucking grenade done up all custom.
That's why I like to use it once.
You bury guy.
I mean, it takes like 5 minutes to put new stickers on. 5 minutes.
Do that window?
Print it out. Keep your heads up.
Someone's in the window.
Just ran by a guy going this way. On the edge of the building.
Here they come, walking one, boys! No, you're dead. Josh, you're dead. You're dead.
I'm out right on the line.
You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Oh, yeah? You're like halfway up. Oh, yeah, you're on the cusp.
Boy, go say hi. Now you can thump around there. Damn.
Should I shoot the RPG in there?
Is anybody over there?
Anyone in the room dead.
Should I?
Anybody over there?
Boy, just wipe the room.
Anyone in there's dead, so
Everyone in that room is dead.
Okay.
Well, now they might not be. Push in, go, go, go.
It's yeah.
5 minutes remaining! 5 minutes!
What is this?
Free up your hand.
I'm just gonna wait for someone to go in.
Yeah, no.
That's the vault.
Unbreakable door. Only the biggest grenades can kill it.
If you're ballsy enough and see a grenade come through, toss it back out.
Or just stomp on it.
Stomp it.
The one-time use, just stomp on it and they won't work.
Really?
Yeah,
You can disconnect the timer cap, whatever it's called. Moy, do not use that in close quarters.
and if you stomp on it and you cover it, save your team.
Yeah, I don't think I want to be in here because, yeah, there's like 6.
Window.
Clear black glass.
Drive.
Got him?
Alright, I got you.
Hello's covering.
Is that a rocket launcher?
Window. Up the hill.
I don't know, accuracy.
I ain't got range.
Because
Straight out the door, right up the hill.
they're pushing. Okay, I know what you're talking about then.
Is that a rocket launcher?
This? Yes.
Basically the same one.
Pretty much. Yep. He's up there, he's up there.
You just call for it.
Hey, get someone on that window. Josh, get on that window. Keep that alley covered. There's someone in that corner. You got a whole corner over there. No, in that corner right there.
What do you see?
Yeah, I'm here.
First window.
First window?
Right when you look out the door. Where?
Hey, watch that window.
Is that grenade launcher the only gun you brought besides the other one?
I have a couple other guns, but I don't want this.
For this game, is that the only one you brought?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a switch sides, so that's gonna come in handy.
Yeah, that's why I
We
mean
need a bucket.
Alright, where should we go?
Dump it into the fucking room, one of them will work.
Literally just run through this one.
I really just want to shoot.
All I can think of is their faces when 7 grenades and 2 rockets hit all at once.
Just shoot this wall.
I should?
I'm gonna try and get them
Outside, shoot
coordinated.
this wall, everyone in here is dead.
I know. Like I could shoot it there, bounce it off that wall, everyone's dead.
Then shoot in here. Shoot this wall.
Yeah, shoot down this room, not right here.
No, when we switch sides, shoot
Oh,
this
yeah.
wall.
Yeah, and then we just easy get it.
Get ready, get ready, get ready! Boy! 3, 2, 1, grenade launcher, fire!
Wait, can I shoot it? Should I shoot it?
Not from this range. It's too close.
How far do I need to be?
You shot Jonesy.
Not
I'm sorry.
You might have a better shot from the outside of the building on the left side.
Move in. All the grenades.
Yeah, am I allowed to shoot this?
You did open the ball.
Am I allowed to shoot this in here?
Okay.
Yeah, he shot his teammate in here. So.
Am I allowed to shoot this from here in here?
Well, I don't think you want to shoot it through there.
Yeah, don't shoot it through right now.
It's open anyway, so.
Yeah, but we got people in there.
He's opening the ball.
You don't want to fire it with our guys.
Oh, for the love of God!
Just kick it.
Just kick the bottom of it. Get out of the way. Move.
Did they blow the door?
Yeah, they blew the door.
Boy, in the ball.
Oi! SMG!
Little guy.
Little man. In the ball. Get in.
Yeah, a rocket launcher. Nice at CQB.
Speaking of rocket launchers, we have two.
Nice at CQB to me.
You got this.
All right. We only need like 3 people in here. 3 or 4 people. Everyone else clear out. We got this in here?
Yeah, got it. Yeah, you good.
Ah, there we go.
Josh.
7 minutes remaining.
First to 5.
The vault's open. It makes more time.
Okay.
7 minutes remaining.
I know, I've never done this game, but it's pretty fun though.
It's super fun. It's a little better on smaller teams because, you know, it goes faster. It's not as much choke up.
Yeah, with this, there's chicken fighting over there, and it's not just ball push.
When that push comes, it's gonna be hard and fast.
I know I've left.
Yeah, you know
More than normal.
they'll hit hard.
Did I ever show you a painted up my gear? Let me see
It's
it.
straight at me. I'm scared.
Oh, sorry.
Man? Okay. You're ready with that thing.
Yeah, she has 2 close range guns. I think this is her mode.
Oh yeah, this is just my thing.
What the fuck's going on here? Beautiful Glock. Beautiful Glock.
I love it.
Well, which Glock is it?
This is the Glock 19 Elite Force.
Here they come.
This is Gen 5?
It's down on the other side.
Because Gen 5, it's light as shit. You can
3 or
tell
4, I
the difference.
think.
4 is good too. 5 is like perfect.
I don't know whose this is. Somebody just ran and gave it to me.
Yeah, watch that side. Watch that side.
Get that grenade launcher out here, come on.
Hold on to this thing, it's fragile.
What the fucking shit?
It was 15 fucking bucks.
That's pretty weird for $15.
I know.
What the fucking shit?
Is it a Springer?
It's a bolt action. It's got a 100-foot minimum engagement distance.
No, it's pistol range. It's 250
Guys,
feet
we
per
don't need
second.
so many people
Yeah,
in
but
here.
it's still got a bolt.
It doesn't matter if it
Rocket launcher's in here.
Yeah, I know. Guys, come on.
Bolt action
We only
rifle.
need like 3 people in
far.
here. Any more than that's overkill.
Rifles clear out.
You 3 got this?
Yeah,
Sure.
All right.
sure. I like
All
that.
right. If you see a grenade come through, stomp
Short
on the
kid.
combustion ones. If it's anything else, throw it out.
Short kid.
You can.
See if you can fit underneath and behind some of that wood.
Oh yeah, want to sneak
Use
it
it as
around
cover.
hide?
So a grenade comes and we're all dead.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's getting your
That's what I'm
box.
saying. That's what I'm saying. You see one, jump on it fast.
Yeah, no, I can't get in.
The stupid black ones are the ones that jump on, yeah.
Stomp on the black ones with the flame coming out. Anything else, throw it because they'll have a longer timer most likely anyway. Worst comes to worst, you have a CO2 explosion in your hand.
That can't
That'll
be
hurt
bad.
though.
They'll. I mean, that's what.
With gloves, it'll be fine.
I don't know.
You don't do it.
Yeah, you
that's
don't
for
do
sure.
shit. You just stand there.
Yeah, I know. I just saw him move. Take him out. He's not
Smoke grenade.
Line of fire, dumbass. He's running. He's gone.
I'm assuming this doesn't have a minimum engagement distance, but I don't
No, all
know.
pistols,
No,
are
pistols
no
and
enemy-
shotguns.
Well, some are like if it's above 400, then it does.
Well, yeah. But
Pistols above 400 are not pistols. That's an SMG or an AR.
No, one of my friends has a
That's one of those gas-powered ones.
one of my friends has a Glock that's CO2 in it.
Ooh, yeah, he's down.
You don't have secondary.
Need one?
If I need one, I got the butt.
Wait, does that have an MED?
You legally do that.
Does that have an MED?
No, it does not. This is classified as a
As
pistol.
long as it's not a minor, it should be fine. Yeah.
How many mags do you have for it?
That is so
I got 3 for this, 3 for this.
Yeah.
But they're gas guns, so they don't carry a whole lot of rounds. It's only 40,
Yeah.
40, 20,
The
and
Gen
then
5, they somehow made it lighter.
20,
than
20,
that.
20.
The Gen 5.
Or
is
not
like
20, they're like
half a
18
pound.
or something like that. I don't know. They're not high.
I'm looking for a Glock. I love Glocks. Such a beautiful
So fun.
gun. Such a beautiful gun.
Plus with the way they're designed, it's really nice. It's really easy to customize one, make it look pretty, like I did with my paint.
I love my baby. 1911. She'll always be my baby.
You ever use a stock on that?
For 2 years.
You ever use a stock on that?
Not really. When I use the stock, it counts as a rifle. So
Oh, really?
10 foot MED.
Yeah. You feel cooler without the stock. The stock looks boring.
That's a sexy stock. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I like that stock.
Wait, do I have an MED with this?
Yes. Well, it has a 25-foot blast radius, so it'll kill anyone it hits within 25 feet.
But do I
So
have an
this
MED?
room is less than 25 feet across.
Oh yeah,
Right.
we're screwed.
If you fire that
Your
in this
8
room, we're all
say
dead.
15, not 5.
It's 4 feet long.
What?
So 1, 2, 3.
They're in the bar! They're in the bar!
4 times 4.
You can fire it at point blank
Unless
range,
it's on that
but it'll
wall
kill
and you're
everyone
on
it
that
hits.
wall, we're
Or any-
fucked.
it'll kill you and everyone else.
It's 16 feet long.
So I could fire it
I
from
thought
any
it's only
range?
You can suicide fire it, yeah.
What?
I was told it's only 15 today.
That's grenades.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I get it. But they're not going to throw it on that wall, they know.
Now, we'll have to clear it with the refs, but as far as the field rules go, possibly you could pop that wall or that wall and clear this room from the outside.